Good morning peeps, and if you're watching this, I'm already gone. This was filmed in the past and it's now the future, or to you guys, the present. I think that's about right. I'm out for one last time before I go to do the Isan tour. I've decided to go up in the world and take Khon Kaen to another level, I hope. Anyway, can you hear that? I think I better stop talking and start doing before those rains come. Anyway, so as you're seeing some of the footage now, I decided that if I'm going to be doing this Isan tour, I needed a drone. I've always wanted to have a drone, and I've been going on and on and on and on and on about having a drone. I've been droning on? Come on. I've always wanted one, and I bit the bullet about a week ago, something like that. But I had to do my pilot's license. No lie, a pilot's license. That's what you have to do. And I've passed. And I'm just waiting for 2 bits of paper to come through. But I have been assured that I can now fly it. It may be slightly problematic if anyone tries to stop me and says, "Where's your paperwork?" Because I don't have it yet. It'll come through in the next 3-4 days. But the lady from CAAT, I'm not going to go into details about that, the one that sorts out the flying stuff, said that I can now fly it, and I would have to phone a number if I had a problem, which wouldn't be a problem, it's just one phone call. So instead of waiting for that to come through, I think I'm just going to go. Where I'm going, I won't know till tomorrow morning. And please try to remember, when you're watching the videos like this one, I filmed this about a week ago, okay? So I'm going to be out, I'm going to be doing things, so if I don't reply to all the comments, please bear with me. I'm doing my utmost, you know. It's going to be tough. Got a long way to go. Where I go, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm going to choose 6 places and I'll put it at the beginning of the next video, okay? I still have the Q&A to do, which I've just not got around to do. Oh, they're all beeping because of the temple at the back, by the way. And I will leave a link for this place again in the description below. I just love the way you can see right the way through. I tried to show it on the drone, but I was too scared to take it through. So I think it's just a bit too narrow for it. But, oh well. And I'm not risking things just yet. How cool is this? I have shown it to you before, so I'm not going to spend too long here. And then just walk through. This is now the main bit. It's only tiny. As you can see from the drone, it's not that big, but it's very, very, very nice, very well preserved. You've got the main religious bit there. And there's another religious bit. And if memory serves correct, it was either this one. There are two of these at least in Khon Kaen. I think the other one's in slightly better nick, though I can't remember. And I had gout, quite serious gout at the time, and I couldn't walk down, but I think it was the other one. And that kind of would have been your view from your entrance / exit. But last time I came here, that fence was not there. That truck was not there. But I think that house was. Imagine the views, what they would have been like in those days. You've got your pond there, which all of them have. So yeah, so it was a hospital / place of worship, should we call it that. And it was Cambodian, Khmer. So there you go. I'm not going to go over to that one. It's still in the process of being built. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you a lot more. Oh, it's really starting to come down now. I'm going to be showing you a lot more drone footage, a lot more just normal footage like this. I'm going to showcase the best bits of each province, of course, but I'm also going to show you real life in the city as well, to give a real idea of what it's like to live in those provinces. And one thing you'll find is most of the provinces rain, just as it's doing now. So I'm going to cut my losses here, call it a day, and I'll see you guys on the tour. Take care everyone, see you on the other side, bye bye.